Pocahontas.
Yeah, she's in a creek or river, a lake, whatever she's in, and she's oaring her little canoe, and she says, "Just around the river bend." It's a song.
Obviously.
Oh, it's a river.
Yeah.
Duh.
So we're on Woodrum Lake in Kenna, West Virginia. Never been on Woodrum Lake before in my life. It's a pretty lake. So far, not doing too hot. The wife's caught 2 little pumpkin seeds. But other than that, I ain't caught nothing. Oh, there's a pumpkin seed swimming right in front of me. I can see it. Little inlet here, I'm gonna try it. Well, hopefully we get some fish on film. Hopefully. Hold on, the wife's got another one over here. Try to spin around so I can see it.
I think this one's little.
A little one?
Yeah. You can use my other one. They're just not gonna be able to see it very well.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. He got off.
Did he really?
Yes.
Sure he did.
Did you not see him? He was on top of the water when I started reeling. That's why I said he was little.
Big one got away.
Huh?
I said the big one got away. She'd come over here by these rocks. Probably have a better chance. Oh, here we go.
Told you.
I wasn't in your honey hole. I was way out there.
No, you're not. You're in that area.
That's a little pumpkin. Little sunfish. That's all we've caught today. Sunfish and largemouth. One decent largemouth. Got pictures of it.
Don't let him laugh. I caught it.
You caught it in my ass. Caught a couple small largemouth. I think if you brought a bucket of shiners out here, you could probably clean up. They are not hitting on the crankbaits, that's for sure. What?
I need my worm.
Sounds like a problem. Personal problem. Oh, there we go. Ah, sucker got off.
Johnny.
Did you get one?
Yeah. Did he come off? I know he's in there.
I lost two right here already.
Here we are. Johnny.
Got one?
Yep.
Another bluegill. Or a bass. It's bluegill, isn't it?
Ew, this one has something wrong with it too. Wet.
I wish I could have found a lure that they would hit on today, but I can't. Tried everything. So I've completely given up lure fishing for today because they ain't biting at all. But we're wearing the little ones out with worms. I wouldn't say little, I mean some of them's pretty good size. A lot of them small, but there's a couple decent sized ones. That one bass I caught was pretty nice. Looks like somebody lost a hat. I don't know if it's a hat or what. It looks like a hat, but it's over there on the bank. Get one?
I can't even get bites on that side.
Them freaking rock bass hanging out over there by them rocks. Or
What's this one?
it's a rock bass.
He slapped my side. At least I got a picture. You hear that?
What?
Vibrating. Okay.
What was vibrating, babe?
The air bubbles in the water.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oops. Edit that out.
You should have went with phone. If I'd have had a stringer, I'd have kept some of these. I'd have definitely kept that largemouth. Let's go see what wife caught. need to download my app.
Huh?
You need to download that fishing app.
Why?
Because it tells you what they are. I hope you realize what they are from now on. Yeah, that is what you call a crappie.
My first crappie. Now how do I take it off the hook?
Same way you take the rest of them off the hook.
Do I grab it?
Put your finger in the mouth. It's the easiest way. Like that.
Hold on, little buddy. This is my first time. Ew, it's hard. Don't let go. Ew, he has teeth.
No, I don't.
Yes, he does, babe. Look in there.
You got a picture of it?
His teeth?
Of the fish.
Yeah.
There.
Oh yeah, your thing sucks.
My what?
To see a picture of it. Yeah, I got a picture of him.
Boy, look at that whopper. Be a good bait fish. Catfishing. What I need to do is come over here and catch these little ones and put them on a big pole and throw them back out. Yeah, you can catch bass on them too. Put them on get a big bobber and put them on it. Throw them back out. What?
I had a bite and I wasn't paying attention. I lost him.
Yeah.
Are you?
Heading out. It's getting dark. A pretty good day. I'm dragging a crankbait. Crankbait. I'm dragging it. I did a little bit ago and caught a little smallmouth. Didn't even know I had him on there. It's peaceful out here. Nice and quiet. There was a few people out here today, but for the most part it ain't been bad. Oh, here we go. There's another one. That's a decent one. There. Babe, better hurry up.
What?
So you better hurry up.
Hurry what?
Passing you up. And we're almost back to the truck or the car now. Let's fish a little more right here. Oh, that felt like a decent one.
Decently small.
No. Nice little crappie. Come here.
Oh, I got me one. Babe,
I'm watching you.
he's moving my kayak.
Really?
Do you see me moving?
I know, but are you sure you can get a snag?
No, I got a fish.
Oh, good.
Holy.
Oh, that's a nice one, babe.
It's a catfish. Look.
Oh, you get to take your first catfish off the line.
No.
Oh, that's a nice little, what is that, channel cat? Looks like it.
I don't know. Come here, hurry up. Come here, I'm scared.
I'm coming.
Not fast enough. I didn't think there was catfish in here.
Well, I just told you I saw one.
Oh yeah, you did. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared.
He ain't gonna hurt you. You can grab them by the mouth or behind the little fins.
Is he broken? Look at his back.
Yeah, he's hurt his little back fin there somehow.
Okay, help me. Like, I'll do it somewhat, but I need your help.
As soon as he gets done fighting.
I need a picture.
Look, see these little spiny things?
Yeah.
You run your fingers up behind them.
Yeah.
Chill out, bro.
It's my catfish.
There's a little cat, channel cat.
It's mine.
The wife caught. It's not bad. His little, might be just where he's small or where he's younger, but looks like they're ripped loose. But there he is. You want to hold him?
Kinda, but I'm afraid.
See that one? As long as you hold them like right here. You gotta watch these though so they don't spin around and hit you.
Okay, well, I'm gonna grab it fast and you're gonna try to take my picture.
If you hold him right here real tight,
Yeah.
or hold him by the mouth,
Oh gosh.
it's your first catfish.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Is my face terrified?
A little bit.
I'm the catfish queen.
That's a big one. That's about the size of the ones we had in our aquarium.
Is it gonna hurt me with the front thingies?
Give me your phone too. Oh.
Did you hear my phone make that
Big
weird?
old channel cat we got here.
Did you hear my phone make that noise? It was like 360 telling me your phone's on like 10% or something like that.
Oh.